Is it happening? Is silver going to break out? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Friday and happy coffee to all of you out there, our new viewers, the person that just clicked on this video. Happy coffee, guys. Is it happening? Is there a silver breakout going to happen today? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. It's happening. One of two things, and we're going to tell you all about that in just a minute. But before we get started, everybody, excuse me, allergies full force. It's Friday. It's a long weekend. I wanted to say thank you to all of my viewers all over the world, all over the country, Europe, Denmark, Germany, UK, Australia, Ireland, everybody. Thank you. And the United States. And guys, California, you're still in the lead in viewership on the channel. Then we got Texas, then we got Florida and New York, everybody. So you're still in the lead. California, congratulations. Thank you so very much, everybody. Yesterday's video did very good, picked up quite a few subscribers, everybody. We're at 9,682 subscribers, guys. We're almost 300 away from 10,000, giving that beautiful 250th anniversary Goldback colorized shield away to you, to one of you. So we're getting very, very close. It'd be nice to see it by the end of this month. That probably won't happen, but definitely in June. So everybody be prepared. And heck, we might give a few other things away just for giggles. And hey, happy coffee. It's Friday. I can't be in a better mood than I am today because, you know, it's a long weekend, everybody. Gold and silver are doing fantastic. They're strong, guys. They are strong. So let's talk about gold right at the moment. It is at $4,523, but it's down $18.70. Now, guys, I've got frogs in the throat. Now that that's taken care of, silver's at $75.81 and down 74 cents. But guys, it's holding very, very strong. If you're new into silver and gold, silver is very much volatile compared to gold. It goes up and it goes down. It's a long-term hold, but it has a steady incline over the years. That's why everybody says you got to hold your silver, because it has these upswings and these downs and these ups, and you got to hold your silver. So if you're new into silver, and we'll talk about it more on these videos for the new stackers, hold your silver. Don't get excited when it drops dramatically. Don't get excited when it goes way up and go sell it. You want to hold it. And it's a long-term investment for you, your children, your grandchildren. And, I mean, you can play the market if you want to, but I don't recommend that, because it's kind of like, you know, your house, right? If you sell your house, you've been in your house for 30 years, right? And the house goes from $10,000, what you paid for it, and it goes all the way up to $400,000, right? And you're like, I'm gonna make some money on this house. Well, you sell it, and then you take your $400,000 and you start looking for a house, and they're $400,000 or more, and you can't find as good of a house as you had that you sold. So silver and gold are very similar. In that manner, it's a long-term hold, watching them go up, and until you're ready to actually cash out, retire yourself, take some fiat and go on vacations, everybody, I would suggest to hold your silver. So platinum, let's go into platinum, move on here. done with that rant. Always positive on gold, silver, guys. The green lights are always on. So $1,935 on platinum. It's Friday, guys. What are these metals going to do? Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And down right down there, everybody. And make sure you watch these videos through, because that does help push the algorithm on this video to get it to new viewers, to get it to new stackers, so they can become part of the family. So if you're new and you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, guys. Palladium, $1,338. And rhodium is down this morning, everybody. 9,150 smackaronis. Okay, happy coffee to rhodium, even though you're down. It's interesting because when silver is actually going up yesterday, with oil prices going down, I was kind of shocked, really. So we're going to be watching rhodium, and maybe I'll do a little thing on rhodium and find out why rhodium does what it does. So it's good coffee, everybody. It's Friday morning coffee, right? So let's move on to our Hong Kong and our Mumbai market. If you're new to this channel, we try to go over some of the big markets on silver and gold that tells you, the new viewer, the new stacker, that kind of what is going around on silver and gold all over the world. So Mumbai and Hong Kong, we'll start with those. Hong Kong is $4,523 on gold and $76.09 on silver. I think there's a good possibility, guys, if our U.S. dollar drops a little bit today, that we'll see 76, maybe 77 with oil dropping. But if it goes up and it starts having a better value, there's a chance that silver may go down or hold strong right where it's at, like it is. 45.28 Mumbai on gold, $4,528 on gold, and 76.60 on silver. So you'll see that Mumbai and Hong Kong, they all stay about the same, along with, if you're in the United States, with ours. So we're really, really close, actually. So, I mean, right now we're at updated at 75.84. So not far away from Mumbai and Hong Kong. Or, Hong Kong. If you'll notice, though, new subscribers and viewers, I'm kind of goofy, so you'll get used to it. London is $4,517, everybody, and $75.70 on silver. So we're all really close. Looks like everybody's kind of melding together on the numbers. What is the gold to silver ratio? Silver is once again outperforming gold. We have dropped below 60 to 1 down to 59.65 on the gold to silver ratio, everyone. New stackers, new viewers into this beautiful hobby of an investment, silver and gold and copper and all that stuff. The silver to gold ratio is how many ounces of silver it takes to get 1 ounce of gold. So if it is 59 to 1, you have 59 ounces of silver. You can take that silver and go trade it for 1 ounce of gold. So that's the gold to silver ratio. And it is a good gold to silver ratio this morning. It is outperforming. Silver is outperforming gold once again, and it has been outperforming gold for quite a while. So everybody, let's move on to our base metals. Base metals are metals that are considered non-precious metals, everybody, but there's one particular metal in here that I'm considering my precious metal, or one of my precious metals, because this is a future. This is a big future metal, everybody. So copper's still at 609, hanging out at 609, everybody. And nickel is at $8.39. Still holding pretty strong, down just a little bit. They're both down just a little bit, but copper is a big, big future metal, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but I do a lot of research on this stuff, watch it, and you know, I'm kind of in line with all the big boys on what copper's going to do. So, nickel, $8.39, aluminum, $1.67. It's actually up a little bit. So, good job, base metals. One of them soon to be a semi-precious metal. An opinion, once again, everybody. Let's move on to Goldbacks. With gold, Goldbacks go up in value in exchange rate, everybody. So their exchange rate or a purchase rate where you can purchase goods with them goes up and down with the value of gold. So they continue to go up with gold. They go down with gold. Goldbacks are 24 karat gold. They are a hyper fractional, solid 24 karat gold Goldback, just like a 1/200th of a gold round or a 1/500th of a gold round. Except with Goldbacks, you can take them in exchange and buy stuff with, and they're much easier to carry and keep from getting lost and have beautiful security features. They're at 902 this morning. So Goldbacks are awesome. 902, they were really up there for a while, and I think they'll, once gold and silver really crank up, I think Goldbacks will go back up too with gold. We know they will. So let's move on to India. Okay, India is one of the biggest gold buyers, importers in the world, guys, where they bring in gold. I don't know I've never really researched about them exporting gold, but they bring in a lot of gold, a lot of silver, not near as much silver as gold, though. But they have basically cut off the imports on gold in India. And what is that going to do to our gold prices? We're going to find out what happens. They're trying to protect their rupee or whatever they call it economy, and they're having some problems, so they shut it off, and we'll see what happens with it. So let's see what India is currently on silver. What is India on silver? Actually, India has been outperforming everybody, including China, guys. 85.99 on silver. Woo! And we hope that we follow that, right? It's happening, or is it not happening? We're fixing to talk about that, everybody. Shanghai, 85.28. How about that? They actually came up. They're holding right with India, everyone. So Shanghai and India are about the same. And silver is holding very, very strong. The U.S. dollar, everybody, the U.S. dollar, that's another big factor on silver and gold prices, on precious metals prices. It's holding steady. The U.S. dollar is steady, holding strong. Right now, it's not going up. It's not really going down. It's holding right there and being stubborn. It's at 99.30. That's one of the big factors when investing in gold and silver that you need to look at and understand that silver and gold and precious metals follow with investments. It follows with the stock markets, the U.S. dollar. It follows oil. It follows all kinds of crazy stuff because it's paper traded. Even though you want to hold your physical, it's a paper traded metal. And I don't like it. I think it's absolutely ridiculous that silver and gold are just traded on paper, basically. That's what controls the prices. One little knee-jerk reaction in the world, and silver goes down or it goes up. And the same thing with gold. One little knee-jerk reaction, it skyrockets or it crashes. It's just all about, I could say something and be a big figure in the world, and if I said it, silver could crash. If I told silver to skyrocket, it'd skyrocket. It's just it's how it is, man. They manipulate the heck out of these metals, guys. So let's move on to oil. Oil is another big factor into silver prices. If you'll watch oil, also oil, when it goes skyrockets up, silver goes down. And when it jumps back down, silver tends to go up. But this is what has happened. Oil has dropped to 98.85, $98.85 a barrel, everybody. So you would think, well, our silver should have been well over $80 an ounce right now. And you're right, it should be. But some things are happening that is causing silver just to stabilize. I mean, we've got things like the U.S. Treasury bonds, guys. Well, they kind of stabilized and actually came back down when people were looking into investing into Treasury bonds. Everybody, silver did drop some. So we have several factors that are just kind of holding on to silver right now and keeping it stable. So is it really happening? Are we in a breakout? Well, it is Friday, so things could happen today. Yet things may not happen. Silver may not break out and go $4, $5, $6 an ounce. A very good possibility. But what is happening is silver is stabilizing. Silver is stabilizing with Treasury bonds. They're kind of stable and not really skyrocketing right today. We have the U.S. dollar, which has stayed stable. We've got oil down. Those three things, guys, are kind of really keeping silver about right here. So we're kind of right in the middle right now. So, but that's a good thing. That's a good thing. We want to be able to predict silver, and silver's very difficult to predict sometimes. It's either way up or way down, but if it stays at a specific price for a long time, that is a good sign. And we're still predicting a breakout, guys. We're still predicting a huge climb on silver. When a lot of things settle down, especially in the Middle East, I think silver will really, really rock it up. We're closing in on July, guys. Will it hit 100 by July? Make sure you comment in the comment field. We know it's going to hit 100 this year, but is July coming really fast? Could it push that hard? Go look at the charts from last year, everybody. It didn't push that hard, but it pushed hard enough. So silver is way up for the year. It's going to continue to skyrocket, everybody, throughout the year once things settle down, and we will be right there with you to watch it. So, hey, let's go back. Let's see what silver and gold is right now. We're at 4,534 smackaronis on gold and 75.95 on silver right now, guys. So it's kind of making a little bit of a comeback this morning. And platinum is $1,939. So, guys, as we do every morning, let's go check out some world coins and talk silver, silver, silver. So happy Friday once again, everybody. Let's check out a few world coins from our collection, some close-ups. And this is a Finland, a 1977 Finland. We do have quite a few of these, everybody. If you see my dirty fingernails, please excuse it. You know, I work for a living, and, you know, I'll clean them later. Yeah, who cares about that, right? Finland, 1977. Really, really beautiful coin, guys. Love these world coins. You can buy these things really cheap, and you never know when you might find a really, really good one in a collection, and it's very, very valuable. You just never know. It's kind of like our coins here in the United States. You might find a coin, a wheat penny, that you're thinking is just a wheat penny, but it's your you hit the lottery on it, right? So that's the way foreign coins are too. Actually, world coins, they're all kind of like that. So here's a Botswana, everybody. How about a Botswana? Kind of cool. 1976, Botswana. Boy, I remember those days. Incredible days. Awesome. 1976, Botswana, everybody. That is awesome. And then we've got a new pence. England, 1971. 1971, everybody. That's actually a very beautiful penny. Look at that. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous coin. What a gorgeous coin. I mean, is that not just beautiful? That sure is. So England, that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful coin. So our last one for today, guys, and then we're going to have to start working on going to work. And can you read this, guys? I can't read it. I'm going to have to take a loop to this thing. Anyway, I guess once we watch the video, we'll be able to tell, but it's right here, everybody. But nevertheless, a beautiful coin. I can't find my loop. I pull these out and see these just as soon as you guys do. So that's pretty cool. If you guys make sure you comment in the comment section, because I can't see this. Can you see that? I'll try to get it up there a little closer. I still can't see it. We'll figure it out. But still, a very, very cool coin, everybody. Very cool coin. It might help if I could read it, right? Philippines, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, hey, everybody, it's Friday. Everybody have a fantastic day. We're going to see you tomorrow and on Super Copper Sunday, where we show you all the incredible pickups that we've got in this week. So I'm excited about that. And let's talk about what silver and gold's going to do today, everyone. So is it happening? Is there a breakout coming? We're going to find out. We're going to find out. So everybody have a fantastic day today. May our Heavenly Father bless our viewers, Lord, and let our viewers and myself concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% that we seek. So everybody have a fantastic Friday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. I'm out.